Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's have a quick look at the brand new 2027 Open Range RV Roamer Light Duty 27 RKDS fifth wheel. Rear kitchen, booth dinette, front private bedroom, thermal seal. Protection, customer convenience. Package, the ultimate residential style layout. Only at the East Coast's #1 dealer. Searching for a 2027 Open Range RV Roamer Light Duty 27 RKDS in South Carolina or anywhere across the Southeast? This is the high-end rear kitchen fifth wheel you have been waiting for. Delivering a lighter tow weight without sacrificing residential comforts, this unit features a spacious living area, cozy fireplace, pop-up TV, and a private front bedroom. Because we order custom elite spec inventory, this unit comes fully upgraded with the mandatory customer convenience package, X10 solar package, and 0-degree tested weather protection. Make this camper yours today and give us a call at 84-3215-1800